Hello everyone, and then welcome to another tutorial video. So in this video I'm going to share with you a specific data bundle code you can use for buying data bundle at cheaper rates, at cheaper prices. And then know that most people have been complaining about expensive data bundles from MTN, but this code I'm about to share with you, and then the options or the packages that come with these codes are relatively a bit cheap. So depending on your budget, you just choose the option you want and then you proceed to buy the data bundle. So let me proceed and share with you the options that comes with this data bundle. So for this data bundle, I stated that we will be working with only MTN data. So let's look for choose option 1 for here. This option, just choose option 1. So after choosing option 1, notice that we have this pop-up menu. So for this pop-up menu, we are dealing with only MTN data. So just choose option 1. In case you are using Telecel or Airteltigo, you can explore that option as well. You choose option 1 for MTN, and then these are the data packages for MTN users. We have 2 gig for 11 cedis, 3 gig for 19 cedis, 4 gig for 23 cedis, 5 gig for 28 cedis. So you can choose the next option, and then you get to explore the other packages. So you have 15 gig for around 70 cedis, 10 gig for 48 cedis, 8 gig for 41 cedis, 6 gig for 32 cedis, and then we have other options as well. So the other options pop up. See, it goes on and on and on. So we have 20 gig for 90 cedis, 25 gig for 110, 30 gig for 134 cedis, 40 gig for 175 cedis. So I'll share the code with you. Don't worry, I'll share the code with you. I just want you to know the packages and then which ones you think would help you. I'd advise you buy the package that is very huge, so that you don't worry yourself buying the packages over and over again. So in case you spend 40 cedis for the 175 gig, it's better to get that package than to go buy just maybe 5 gig for some amount, and then it gets finished, and then you go ahead to buy another 5 gig again. It's just time and money wasting. Better to buy the package you think that will help you use the internet for maybe a month, and then you proceed. So I'll share the code with you at the end of this video. Thanks for staying with us to the end of this video. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the post notification so that you don't miss out on future videos. I will see you in our next video. Have a lovely day.